All right, so here we are, day one. We're going to take all these metal sleepers off the floor, paint all of this, paint all of this. I'm going to put plastic panels on these walls here. Plastic panels. Paint this. Going to do a concrete stained and finished floor, polished concrete floor down here. I'm going to float the whole floor with floor leveler. I'm going to cover these places with gravel G. Point that up at the ceiling for us. There we go. That's a little bit better. You want to put that light in there? You got an outlet right below it. This pry bar is working good. You put the thing right where the nail is and pop them off. They're coming up very easily. Yeah. That's it. Going to make this into a habitable space again. Electrician's coming today for hi-hats. I'm going to box this in over here. Look. I'm going to box that little piece in over here. Some wood. Fill that piece of sheetrock. Unscrew and cover this with a vent. That's it. Do the same thing throughout. Gee, you have your sunglasses with you today? Yeah. All right. Because when you hit these, sometimes the heads pop off and shoot off like bullets. You put it right where the nail is and hit it with the sledgehammer, and it pops the nail out and the piece of metal at the same time. Yep. If you could get the outdoor framing hammer, the big long one, that would be nice, but any hammers would be good. Same thing in here. Concrete floating this floor. No painting in here. This is just a storage area. No painting in here. Plastic panels on this side. The idea of the plastic panels are that if and when the flood comes again, all you have to do is take off the baseboard molding and the chair rail molding that I'm putting at this height. Dry it out. Fog the area with bleach inside the walls, because there won't be any insulation on the interior walls. And there's a brook, a creek over there, and it floods pretty often. It comes all the way up to those people's driveway, and during heavy rains comes all the way up to here and then ends up in their basement at 2 or 3 feet of depth. So trying to be prepared for if and when the next flood comes. All right.
I slipped that out back there too.
Looking good. All right, we're getting there. It's starting to look like something. Let's get this all in the truck to the dump.